Hi, welcome back. Let's just get straight into the nails. Today I'm doing something very different. I've never done this design before, like this style. I've been wanting to do it so much. Like I have so many inspo pics. So I said, you know what, today let me just try, make an attempt. And as you can see from the start, it came out so cute. I usually don't show me prepping my nails because I have a specific video, or like 3 I think, dedicated to prep. But today I'm going to be doing 𝐁𝐻. I've really been feeling 𝐁𝐻 recently. Like my previous nails were 𝐁𝐻. I don't know, there's just something so like fun and just easy about it. Like you don't have to overthink, especially if you're a DIY girl like me. So I'm gonna let you listen to some music, enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe to join me on my nail journey. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. But for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, that going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. Foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody said.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I do, you can go leave. Got M's in the back, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna be what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Though you been trying to do it like you do. Real dope boy, 100,000 in the deal. President's attention, I buy when I see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what you do. I'm getting money like come from the 80s. Man, straight out the drop, man. Don't go crazy, they know I'm the truth. I'm scrape on the basement. I'm straight as a street, man. I'm come from the basement. I'm me in the hundreds, you make them go crazy. Wham, wham, wham. On the basement. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I do, you can come and leave. Got M's in the back, like yes, indeed.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. When it comes for you, only feel like months. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch run like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract down on me. In the meantime, need some me time. Crib on the beach like all down.
So the pink glitter polish I'm going to be using is my Nail Reserve polish in the shade The Precious. I unboxed and swatched it in my last video. I'm also going to use Madame Glam Perfect Black and my white polish from Venalisa from Amazon.
In the meantime, need some me time. Crib on the beach like all down. All my killers don't tell. Shut down my mouth cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract getting on me, baby. In the meantime, get some me time.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. When it comes for you, only feel like months. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Doing what I want.
get some me time.
Doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Doing what I want.
get some me time.
Doing what you want.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sleep in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my will.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So come now, let's what to do. That's why I'm honest in my love with you. I won't please you any way I can. I want you in my world, don't you understand? Your love is the one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. Turn inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do. To me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Tonight, gotta show you that's beauty. I'm begging you.
So this is my first time ever attempting these 90s 2000s style design, and as you can see, it was not going right, and I was literally about to give up and just like wipe it all off and then just put charms and just call it a day. But then I thought about it, and how am I ever going to learn if I don't actually try? So I decided to try again off camera, and all I did different was like I lightened the strokes, like I would just barely touch the nail and just like be more light-handed because I was really heavy-handed. And yeah, it was going right. Like I was just going, hoping for the best. I also tried to move fast as well because I felt like if I slow down, then everything will start going wrong again. But at the end of the day, it came out right. Like you would never guess that this is like my first attempt, would you? I hope not anyways. Even if you can tell it's my first time doing it, I'm actually pretty proud of it. Like it came out so nice. But yeah, I'm excited to do future sets. Maybe a dedicated like 90s 2000s style set, because this set made me feel all gassed up like, yeah, I can really do it like anytime, anywhere. But yeah, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to leave a like and let me know what you think in the comment section.
Girl, I get the money, will see me to mine. If you love it, every nothing make you mad. Not only you can, but love it with me nice, nice, nice. I feel make you mine. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke, it's you gon' lose my lighter. If you pay me nothing, I'ma spend the night. And I love you every day. I'm a blessing you for me, I will pay. For your love, I will pay. It ain't making my days. I see you do this for you every day. When you call, run it back on your plate. For your love, I will pay. For your love, I will pay. That was psycho, you can try me psycho. Baby, if you lazy, you can try me psycho. Baby, if you pretty, then make me mad. Make you sing to the mic. Girl, you are that looking in your eyes. Show you many things you can utilize. If I say I love you, then I tell you like so. Show you everything when I have tonight. True that, take you utilize. Girl, when we talk, we go reach by home. Give you many things, we put them make you dance. So, girl, make you back up with the standing mic. They never call you back, you should leave. Let me put some money in you back. You don't need, what I mean is if they do you back, they all breathe. It ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at, where you at. And I love you every day. I'm a dancer, you put money, I will pay.
I'm going to use my Savilan top coat because it's a really thick top coat and it's perfect for me to adhere my rhinestones. I don't use rhinestone glue or rhinestone gel because I usually pop the big ones off and reuse them. So I just like a nice thick top coat, and this one is perfect. Now these charms are from AliExpress and I'm really feeling the Hello Kitty charms. There were these ones that I ordered. I'll put a screenshot of it, and it was meant to come at the same time as this one. I ordered it all together, but now it's saying it's going to come in like a month. I was so like, ugh. I wanted to just cancel the order and just like refund my money, but I thought, no, I've already paid for it, you know, it's only like £3. I'll just wait, and when it comes, it will be just in time for summer and I'll be able to do like Hello Kitty summery nails and stuff like that. But oh well. I love these charms. Oh, they are so cute. I think I might do more grunge junk nails. I don't know, would you like to see that from me, guys? Let me know. I'm using my Be Glam Elixir Cuticle Oil, my favorite cuticle oil. I just love the shine that it gives me. It's just so perfect, and like a little goes a long way. So this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think. You guys already know I'm in love with these nails. I'm so glad I didn't stop when things got a bit funny because it came out so beautiful. I know I say this most times, but this has to be one of my favorite nails so far. And you guys know I usually do long nails, but I'm loving this short set. I wanted to keep it on, but I'd already done a peel off base. If you watched all the way, thank you so much. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.